In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Gmail password using Google Chrome. This process is straightforward, but it's important to remember the security aspect involved. So make sure you're doing this on a trusted device. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Google Chrome is a popular web browser that many of us use every day. It's reliable and packed with features that make web browsing efficient, including the ability to save your passwords securely. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Settings menu in Chrome. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You should see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down, find and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option called Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome keeps all your saved login details. Click on this, and then choose Google Password Manager. The Google Password Manager is a convenient tool that stores and manages the passwords you've saved while using Chrome. Now that we're in the Password Manager, you'll see a section labeled Passwords. This is where all your saved account information is organized. To find your Gmail password, you'll want to use the search bar to quickly locate the relevant entry. Simply type in Google or Gmail, and it will filter down to show you only the entries related to these accounts. When you find the entry for your Google or Gmail account, click on it to select it. Keep in mind that for security reasons, Google might prompt you at this point to verify your identity. This verification typically involves entering the password or the PIN that you use to access your computer. Once you've successfully verified, you'll be able to see your saved information. To reveal the password, look for an icon that resembles an eye, located next to the hidden password. Click on this Show Password icon, and it will display your Gmail password. And there you have it, an easy and secure way to check your Gmail password directly through Google Chrome. Remember to keep your passwords private and be cautious when viewing them, especially on shared or public computers. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.